Essay. A rainy day. Rainy day. Rainy days are different from any other day. They hold great importance for everyone differently. People have different reasons to wait for the rainy season eagerly. After all, it brings a sigh relief for everyone, no matter what the weather may be. Rainy day relaxes and soothes our soul. There is no age limit to enjoy rainy days. People of almost every age enjoy it equally. Thus, rainy days are very important for a number of reasons. It was the 5th July and the sky was crystal clear. The sun was blazing hot. The trees and plants were dusty. It was unbearably hot. Newspaper had been crying reports of deaths by heat strokes for days. All of a sudden, at about 2 o'clock, the wind rustled through the tops of trees. Rain clouds began to spread from the west and covered the whole sky in no time. It was really a beautiful scene. We saw children coming out of their houses happily. The clouds produced lightning and thunder. Large raindrops began to fall. As they fell, the sun baked earth sucked them. Soon after this, it began to rain cats and dogs. The rain continued to fall for 2 hours. The streets turned into streams. The tree leaves looked very fresh and pleasant. The young and the old alike were happy and excited. Children played in the flooded streets joyfully. The rain brought a great relief to everyone. They thanked God for this blessing. Thanks for watching video. For more videos, subscribe our channel.